guys, I'm Aldrin but you can call me Ajong. That's what most people call me and I kinda like it that way. So, here's a little bit about me. I'm the type of person who loves late night strolls with friends. Midnight food trips, absolutely my thing. I'm also into motor parts, bikes, engines, anything mechanical. When I'm not outside, I'm probably either sleeping because yes, I love to sleep, or watching TikTok videos. TikTok is my comfort app. Another thing about me is I love to travel and spend time in nature. There's something about being surrounded by mountains, trees, or just the quiet outdoors that makes me feel grounded and free. Above all that, I love to explore, whether it's new places, new people, new hobbies, or even just random things I've never tried before. I'm always up for discovering something different. At the end of the day, I just want to enjoy my teenage life as much as I can. I believe in the saying, we only live once, and for me, that means living fully, learning constantly, and creating memories that actually mean something. Oh, and by the way, if I had to rate my English skills, I'd probably give myself a solid 6 out of 10. Not because I don't try, but honestly, I'm not that super fluent or confident yet, especially when it comes to speaking straight English for a long time. Sometimes, I still get conscious with my grammar or I pause a lot when I speak, but I'm working on it. I love learning from conversations, videos, and just throwing myself into it like this. Because the only way to get better is just to keep talking, right? So yeah, 6 out of 10 for now. But we'll get that higher, one vlog at a time. That's all. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. This is Ajong signing off. Catch you on the next one. Stay real, stay curious, and live loud.